Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of MT200. This smartwatch comes with a real heart rate sensor and ECG sensor. It also comes with an Amoled display 1.43 inches, which is also great. And as you can see on the box, we have different things that they mentioned: Bluetooth calling, sports mode. And on the back side, as you can see, it supports Apple phone and Android phones. So as you can see, you can pause and read. So the application that it supports is H-band. You can download it from App Store and Google Play Store. So let me peel the plastic off and see what's inside the box. So as you can see, the model number is not on the box, but on website in AliExpress it is mentioned MT200. You can buy this watch from Zorwing. Link is in the description, and he's one of the best sellers on AliExpress. I have never had a single issue when I buy from him. So as you can see, we have a quick start guide which is in Chinese and different languages as well. We don't need that actually, so it's really easy to pair this watch. So let me plug that to the side, and as you can see, we have a charging cable, which is also a really good quality cable. As you can see, magnetic cable. And please guys, one more thing, do not pair this with fast charger. You can pair it with the normal charger, so you will not face any issues in the future. And let's take the watch out. The build quality is amazing guys. I'm really liking the build quality so far. And as you can see, on top we have a sticker in the front, so let me peel that off. And on the back side we also have a sticker. So as you can see, they are using real heart rate sensor. As you can see, the metal, they have two metal sensors on the back, so I believe it is using a real sensor. We're going to check that out in few minutes. So on the left hand side we have a speaker, on the right hand side we have a crown key, and there is a ECG sensor as well, as you can see. And you can change the band as well. It is using 22 mm band, so it is really easy to change these bands as well, which is also good. As you can see, 22 mm. So let me power this on and see all of its features. So as you can see, on the right we have a quick shortcut for phone application, and the crown key is actually really good, but it does not have an haptic feedback but a clicking sound. Well, it's okay in this price range, I'm not complaining actually. So the display guys is really amazing in my opinion. As you can see, we have a different menu style as well. I really like the list view because it's easier to navigate, and as you can see, we have a different menu style. The OS is also smooth as well guys. So as you can see, different applications we have: heart rate, blood oxygen, and you can change the watch faces with crown key as well. And the AMOLED display in this one is amazing guys. The resolution is also very crisp and clear, as you can see. But unfortunately it does not support palm gesture, which is okay. I'm not complaining actually. The wrist to wake feature of this watch is really great as well. So as you can see, there is a button. It's not actually a button but a sensor for ECG, so you can put your finger and measure the ECG. So as you can see, it's not a button. And on the back side we have two metal sensors as well. So that means they are using high quality sensors in this watch. In HK9 Ultra 2 they are not using a real sensor, which is really disappointing. So as you can see, on the right hand side we have phone application and steps, sleep tracking, heart rate sensor, ECG, blood glucose, blood pressure, blood oxygen. It also can measure your body temperature as well. So they have amazing features in this price range. I'm really amazed by the sensors that they put in this watch. So as you can see, swipe from the bottom we have notifications, and if you swipe from the top, they have quick settings. So let me pair it with my phone, and as you can see, the application is H-band. You can download it on App Store and Google Play Store as well. So once it's downloaded, let me just open this application. click on allow. I'm gonna skip the process and log in as a guest. I believe in, as you can see, no account login. So I'm going to skip these as well. And see, as you can see, we're going to scan. So as you can see, we have a name of this watch is M watch, and we are going to pair it. Very easy to pair, as you can see, and you can turn these notifications on and off. So I'm going to turn this one as well. So the interface of this application is very confusing. Actually, it's not that great, but let me just show you. If I go to mine tab, and you cannot change the time format as well, but if you set your phone to 12-hour format, it will be automatically 12-hour format. If you set your phone settings to 24-hour format, the watch will be in 24-hour format. So there is no particular setting for setting the time format. So as you can see, if I go into settings, they have different types of settings. Dial settings. In dial settings, you can change your watch faces, and you can set customized watch face. And face gallery is an app store where you can download a lot of watch faces. I'm going to check that as well. So it's actually very confusing, the interface. So as you can see, now I am in dial market, and they have plenty of watch faces. All of them are free actually, which is very good compared to HK9 Ultra 2. The new watch faces that they are releasing, they are all paid watch faces. So here, as you can see, we have tons of watch faces, and I wish that the HK9 Ultra 2 also comes with a lot of watch faces, but and also they look really nice, guys. I'm going to download a watch face and then set it up. See how much time it takes to download and install. So as you can see, still new watch faces are loading. And they look really nice in my opinion, guys, on AMOLED display. So let me just download this watch face and see how much time it takes to download and install. Actually, it is installing really fast, guys, which is also a good thing. Some other watches, round watches, it takes a lot of time to download a single watch face. So as you can see, so guys, look at that. It's looking really amazing, guys, on this AMOLED display, as you can see. And the bezel size is also really good, as you can see. So let me just quickly show you always on display. It also has always on display, and we have two styles. One is analog and one is digital. So let me just turn this on and show you guys quickly. So unfortunately there is no palm gesture, so we are going to have to wait. So as you can see, guys, this is the digital version. Looks really good in my opinion, and it does not drain the battery life as well, which is also a really good thing. So let me set analog watch face. So as you can see, the analog one doesn't look that good in my opinion. I really like the digital one. The wrist to wake feature of this watch is also really great, and the crown key feedback is also really great. As you can see, we have a game. It's like Flappy Bird, so you can see the colors of this watch, guys. It's amazing. This screen is really vibrant and colors are really popping, as you can see. So also you can check the bezel size as well. If I go into torch, I believe, so as you can see, the bezel size is also very good. So let's check the heart rate sensor of this watch and see if it measures like this. As you can see, failed to measure, wear watch snug but comfortable. Now we are going to test the table sensor, table heart rate, and see if it measures or not. In HK9 Ultra 2 you can actually measure the table, which is very disappointing, guys. So as you can see, failed to measure, that means they are using the real sensor, which is a very good thing, guys. I've also compared this watch to Apple Watch Series 7, and the heart rate sensor is very accurate compared to Apple Watch Series 7, sorry. As you can see, guys, it's working really well. So if you want a smartwatch that measures your heart accurately and you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is the watch that you should buy. And it also looks really good in this black color. You can order this in silver, but I ordered it in black because I think black looks really good. So, and the wrist to wake feature is also working really well. So you cannot change the watch face accidentally because the crown key is very good in this one as well. So let me check the sports mode. As you can see, and it's also working well. Looks really good in the wrist, guys. As you can see, so overall, guys, this watch is really great. You can purchase this from AliExpress, link is in the description. Seller is Zorwing, and I am really so far I'm really liking this watch, and the crown key works really good as well. And the touchscreen also, the sensitivity of touchscreen is also great, and we have a lot of features in this watch. In this price range, you cannot get any better watches in my opinion. And if you want a round dial watch, this one is the best watch. It also supports calling feature as well, and sound quality is also great in this one. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.